Captain Todd was navigating the perilous waters off the coast of Somalia when his ship was suddenly attacked by pirates. The unmistakable sound of grappling hooks striking the hull signaled their arrival. Armed and intent on plundering the vessel, the pirates swiftly boarded, unaware that Todd had a plan to outsmart them. As they advanced, their confidence wavered upon realizing that the ship's cargo was not what they expected. Todd, who had long feared such an encounter, knew he had to act fast to prevent a violent confrontation. Thinking quickly, Todd took control of the situation by using the ship's intercom to call his crew to the cafeteria below deck, ensuring their safety. He then stopped the ship, allowing it to drift at the mercy of the ocean while he assessed the threat. Meanwhile, the pirates, led by Captain Jack, split into smaller groups to search for valuables. However, Todd had been monitoring their every move and devised a strategy to trap them. He instructed his trusted officers to lock the crew in the cafeteria for protection and then meet him in the control room to execute his plan. Todd and his second-in-command, Harris, lured two inexperienced pirates into a trap by using a crate filled with smartphones as bait. The young pirates, Ahmed and Youssef, were mesmerized by the valuable gadgets, completely distracted from their mission. As they greedily stuffed their pockets, Todd and his team locked them inside the cargo hold, securing their first victory. Meanwhile, Todd worked to jam any communication devices on the ship, ensuring that Captain Jack remained unaware of his crew's dwindling numbers. As Captain Jack and his remaining men searched the ship, their growing suspicion and frustration became evident. With two pirates missing and no response from their radios, Jack sensed that something was wrong. Todd, aware that the situation was escalating, decided to confront Jack directly. Armed with non-lethal tools, Todd approached the pirates with calculated confidence, hoping to outwit them rather than engage in a firefight. Leading them toward a strategically placed crate, he used hidden signals to alert his crew to be ready for action. The final trap was sprung when Todd tricked Captain Jack into stepping into a concealed hole, where his crew was waiting to overpower him. With their leader captured, the remaining pirates stood little chance against Todd's well-coordinated team, who swiftly subdued them. As the Coast Guard arrived, relief washed over the crew. One by one, the pirates, including the day's Captain Jack, were handed over to the authorities. The Coast Guard commended Todd and his crew for their bravery and quick thinking, recognizing their crucial role in preventing disaster on the high seas. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting tales. Your support means a lot, and hitting the notification bell ensures you won't miss any of our future adventures. Thanks for being part of the community.